Hey, good afternoon, guys. Gary here with you with Signature Laser Designs. I wanted to take a few minutes and show you what I was working on over the weekend. This is a lollipop stand. I built it to accommodate 60 lollipops. This one will hold the blow pops or the Tootsie Roll pops. And when I say that, I'm talking about the diameter of the hole that the stick goes in. If you're wanting something bigger, like if you were making gourmet lollipops, you'd want to contact me first and let me know that you're going to need a bigger size hole to accept those larger ones. But this stand is fully customizable. Once again, you just need to kind of let us know what you want to do. But if you want to engrave your logo here or text, we can do that. And they really look nice. These stands look awesome in the store. They pop and they draw attention. There's really two places that these stands are fitting for. One is your retail establishment, where they actually sell candy, or a convenience store or something like that. The other place would be a professional business like a veterinarian's office or the bank or doctor's office or something like that, where they like to give away candy. Or maybe it's a restaurant where they sell candy for a nickel or a dime a piece or something like that. With those kind of businesses in mind, we made it possible for you to order a business card holder. You just say yes or no. It's included in the price. If you want one, it's not going to cost you extra. But we're going to put a business card holder here on the front for you. So really, you turn this awesome display into a huge business card holder with flair. So that's just another added benefit if you're one of those professional sort of organizations. I built this stand. I wanted to keep in mind, I always try to remember about space, because a lot of retail places just don't have a lot of room. The most noteworthy thing is the stand is only 4.5 inches wide. It is 2 foot. I say 4.5. It's 4.5 inches deep, and it's about 24 inches or 2 foot wide. It's also about 11.5 inches tall. Okay, so you want to make sure that when you're measuring, you'll measure 11.5 inches and then room for the lollipops also. So just kind of keep that in mind. You can order it 4 different ways. Okay, I'm going to go over that with you right quick. If you want it unfinished, in pine, unfinished, you can either stain it or paint it yourself with no logo or anything like that. Just plain Jane. It's going to be $59.99. If you want us to add a logo to it, still plain Jane, no paint or anything, it's going to be $79.99. We can paint it for you if you would like, with no engraving. That's going to be $79.99. And then lastly, if you want it just like you see it here, white with the engraving, of course that's your logo of choice and text, it's going to be $89.99. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed our idea here. I'm hoping that we can hopefully we can build a lot of these and get them out there and folks can start using them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, or at least like our video so you can find us and come back. We're constantly trying to put out new information for you, so keep checking back with us. I hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you back here soon. Thanks, bye.